Hi, this is Sarah Broninger, math teacher, and I want to go over a part of teaching math that is easy to overlook, and that is finding the best speed at which to give data. Think of a time that you've listened to an audiobook and it was too slow. It's irritating. And think of a time that you went to YouTube and you really wanted to learn something, and whoever was teaching it was just giving it too fast. You pause and you take a moment to get it, assimilate the data, and then you unpause, and then you pause, and then you think about what that means and where that button is, and then you unpause. Well, you have to teach math that way, because though the concepts are familiar to you, the students are still attaching meaning to the words. You say, okay, we're going to go do this to the denominator, and the student's thinking denominator, that's the thing on the bottom. And then in that moment that it took for them to attach meaning to the words, you've said 3 more sentences, and they didn't hear any of it. So when I teach, I pause. I'm a pause button. I watch them. I say, okay, now we're going to rationalize the denominator. We're going to do that by multiplying by the conjugate. And I look, and if I don't see a light go on, I go, remember the conjugate? The conjugate is the same thing as the denominator with a different sign. Why do we do that? Pause. You watch their speed, and you can see if you get that speed right, that they won't get frustrated. So when I'm teaching, especially if I'm doing a Zoom class, where it is always harder to judge if you have the speeds right, at the end of the class, I will ask, how did it go? Did you learn something? Is it okay? Did it go too fast, too slow, or just right? And they'll tell you. And you have to watch that every student has a different speed. I hope this helps.